have this question, question 2. We have A is a matrix. Let A be equal to this matrix, and is a 3 by 3 matrix. And the matrix is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 1. And then we are told to find the what? The inverse matrix. I'm going to use Gauss-Jordan elimination method. This is step 1. Augment the matrix given by identity matrix 0, 1, 1. Identity matrix, when you are augmenting, you put a line, and identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That's the identity matrix. So then we're going to do row operation, whereby the identity matrix you have here, it's transformed to the left hand side. So all what you have here, at the end of your row operation, you have what? You have identity matrix. Okay? So this one now is now moving to this place. And a new matrix is now formed here. And that new matrix that is formed here is called inverse matrix. So let's begin. Check your row 2. This is 1. So I can say row 2 minus row 1. If I do that, this becomes 0. So I have 1, 1, 1. 1 minus 1, that's 0. 2 minus 1, that's 1. 3 minus 1, 2 in this place. Then 0, 1, 1. Okay, come back here, 1, 0, 0. And then 0 minus 1, that's minus 1. 1 minus 0, that's 1. 0 minus 0, that's 0. And then the third one, nothing happened there. So we have this. So you can see now, at least we've achieved the main diagonal to be 1, 1, 1 in this place. Okay? It's the image you want to get. It will have 1, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and other elements to be 0. So here now, I need this place to be 0. Okay, I need this place also to be 0. Here also 0. Row 1 will be equal to row 1 minus row 2. That's the one thing I can do there. And that will be equal to 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 2, minus 1. Then come back here. 1 minus this. That's a 2. 1 minus this. That's a minus 1. 0. Minus 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1. I can work on row 3. Row 3, if I subtract this third row minus this second row, 1 minus 1, I'll have 0 here. And here, 1 minus 2, I will have minus 1. So I can say the third row equal to row 3 minus row 2. Then we have, so you can see that it's forming now. Okay? We can turn the row 1 0 here by what? By adding this first row with what? With the third row. So 1 minus 0, that's 1 there. 0 minus 0, that's minus 1 minus 1. That's 0 here. So that one is achieved. So this one is not changing. 3 is not changing. 0, 1, 2. Here is what? 0, 0, minus 1. Here is a 2. 2 minus 1. That's 1. And then minus 1 minus 1. That's 0 here. And then 0 minus 1. That's a minus 1. 1, 3 times minus 1. Then we have what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. Here also 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, so that's just the only thing that happened in third row. I just multiply by minus 1. And why? I want to make sure that the leading diagonal is positive or true according to the identity matrix. So in that case now, the only place that need to be 0 is this place. This place needs to be 0 to follow the identity matrix, the form, okay, of the identity matrix. So what we do there is second row, we just work on the second row, and that will be equal to second row, so 2 minus, if you multiply this place by 2, and then you see, you can see 0 here, 0 here, okay? So that will be row 2 minus 2 times row 3. And that will give us what? 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1. Here is 0. 1, 0 minus 2 times this, that's 1 minus 2 times this, that's what? 1. 2 minus 2 times this place, that's 0. So this is reference point. Okay, here also, minus 1, minus 1, minus, what do I have here? Times 2, minus 2. So which is what? Which is 1 here. Here, 1 minus 2, that's what? Minus 1 here. 0 minus 2, that's 2. Okay, then minus 1, 1, minus 1. So that's that on this question. Then we now realize that we have the identity matrix now at the left side. So this one is what is the inverse matrix. So your inverse now is equal to. So please, there is an icon of the video. Click on it and subscribe. Okay, and then type your comments. Okay, and finally, share the links of this video on your social media platform, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Twitter, all your platform. Thank you for doing that.